So Nea Salamina hasn't been at their best recently, but last season it was different. They won the second division, losing only one game. So in today's video we will begin the rebuilding series. It'll be a 10-part video series for every season until we make Nea Salamina the best Cypriot club. Okay, so this is the team we will be starting with. And for sure we need some changes. First I'm gonna sell Christodoulou to get money. And for my first signing I signed the 28-year-old Hadzigadunik. Since I already made a signing and I don't have any money, we will sim our first match and see how the team will do. So we won our first match, but we still need some more changes, and to do that we need to sell players. So that's why I sold Luca to Ari Limassol for 459,000. So now we need a new striker. I loaned him Pablo for 1 year to strengthen our squad. After the signings I made, this is the squad. It still needs more, but for now I think we're good. Let's test the boys with a strong opponent. Okay, so this match wasn't too bad, but I think we could have done more. But now the real test begins as the season is starting, and our first opponent will be Krasava. And because the season begun, I will play this match. What a match! I have to say the team was perfect. And for sure if we keep this up we will be at a great spot. Now it's time for the big test.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Algo siento en mi cabeza, me duele hace varios días. Mis palabras se me enredan, no hablo bien todavía. Mis ojos mucho me pesan.
So this was the first video for my channel and for this series. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the subscribe button to help out. Peace.